Hey, how about a little bit of the clouds? The clouds look kind of cool. We'll do a little time lapse as I drive out of traffic. Not much traffic, but a little bit. Again, doing 70, I gotta slow down. Gotta save my gas mileage. This tank's gonna be just ruined. Well, this second tank I just filled up in Saginaw. I think I paid $203 or $204 in Ohio. I just paid $223. Could have been worse. Gas buddy helped me a little bit. Alright, here's that time lapse I told you about. Okay, hope you enjoyed that part. That's probably enough. More RVers. Shit, that's a Champion. That looks like 70s. Still chugging along. I'm not losing too awful much time, according to the GPS. Even though it's 75, I'm doing 68. Which again, I'm driving a lot faster than I normally do. And I'm a couple hours from the bridge probably, and I've already been thinking about the bridge. It's windy today. I'm not afraid of heights, but I don't love heights. You know, there's one day a year you can walk that bridge. It's one of those things, maybe I'd do one day, but I just don't know. I think I'd freak out more walking. Alright, the rattle's back. Definitely headed towards a storm. Looks like a decent one. I guess my hope is to hit that and get to the other side before the bridge. Because, again, they do shut the bridge down. And I've crossed it a couple times where I could feel the wind moving me. And I don't like it. So hopefully this storm gets through and then I'm good to go. That's enough. That really is a wild sky. We'll do some time lapse. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. I think it's coming. You're getting close. I got about 150 miles to the bridge. Told you it was close. Look at that. No editing or nothing. Alright, I won't record this because you can't see anything. Oh my God. It just slowed down a little bit too. The road is already forming a river. It's coming down. Somebody pulled over. Nothing wrong with that. If you can't see, sometimes that's a good idea. Just make sure you get off the road. Wow. It won't do it any justice, but that was opening a faucet. That was just whoosh. Oh, now you want to pass me. You didn't want to pass me when it was raining. Alright, that was fun. Alright, I know I say it a lot with the food, but I really wish I had smell-o-vision for you now. I like when you get up in the north woods, especially rain and pine. Man, it smells amazing. This is what the world was supposed to smell like. We're still driving. About 80 miles to the bridge. Chuggy chug. later. You know how I said I make a list to make sure I don't forget stuff? I do. I still forgot stuff. Just realized I didn't grab the cat dish that they eat their food out of. But I have one, so they'll get to eat. Always something. Alright, I gotta laugh. I'm about 50 miles from the bridge. I'm getting gusts of winds that are moving me around, and already my mind is like, oh, shit fire. Cousin Eddie's tall with a short wheelbase. He gets a little squirrely. So, you know, I'm thinking of that bridge. It is an amazing bridge. And it is fun. But as someone who doesn't love heights, I'm all good when I'm done with the center section. It starts going back down, because there's like a hill. When it starts going back down, I start feeling better. I know this girl that, oh my God, anytime we crossed the bridge, freaked out. Like, had to close her eyes, cover her eyes, tell me when we're over the bridge kind of thing. Even like normal little bridges. So I'm pretty sure she might have a stroke if she tried to cross the Mac. But I never messed with her either. I didn't lie. When somebody's like that, you don't... Be cool. Alright. We're getting there. Vinny is now switching back to the cooler and back. It's getting alright as long as you don't try to dump on the dash. Enough for now, right? Next stop, bridge. Passing a BT Cruiser. 2 slides. Alright, there's a big bridge up there. Man, it's windy. Windy, you need to stay stable. Everybody's jumping off the exit. Here we go. That's enough of the pictures.
Should I follow the semi?
The motorcycle behind me. Guy's going a little too slow. I'm gonna go around him. Does make me nervous. We're going down to one lane up here. I'm doing 35. 33, according to GPS. grates, they make you shimmy. Yeah, that's disconcerting. Vinny, dude, you got a knot. Vinny, I don't like it either, man. Because it really does shimmy. Still 33 I'm doing, and it's pushing me. I'll let you go. I gotta hold the steering wheel pretty good.
Oh, we visit some gingerbread houses.
Uh-oh. We're changing lanes. Oh. The radio's not working, but 200 feet above the water, and the grates make you wiggle. I've been over in a car, it's not as much. This wiggles pretty good, and then you got the wind blowing a little bit. Oh yeah. Let's see how much I get charged. Car's $4. I think RVs are like 10. And I've usually been charged, I think this is the 4th or 5th time, I don't know. And I think once or twice I've been charged as an RV, but usually a van. Now here, when you get off the grates, it's all good. There's a fly in here. Get out of here, fly. I don't know what it would be like to drive a semi across. I would bet you hope you're full. So we are gonna stop up here at the visitor center after we pay. And maybe one day I will walk this bridge, I don't know. But part of the North Country Trail goes right out here, so I might, since it's not too hot, I might go walk real quick. It's supposed to be a vista not too far, but I'll go check it out. See, now I'm speeding. It's a little bit different. That is the mighty Mac. Hope you enjoyed. Jump ahead to see how much they're going to charge me. Again, I know that they have a service that'll drive you over if you don't want to drive. Oh. We're into UP. Hello. Hi. How much is it for?
You need a receipt?
No, thanks. Thanks. Got it for 4. I'm gonna go in and ask him. The only way to find out. All right, so I went in. I didn't record in there just because I think it's rude. But yes, you just stop here at the customer entrance on either side of the bridge and they will drive you across for no charge. He said they were doing one right now. They were doing somebody. They'll do semis for some semi drivers who can't do it. They'll drive Harleys. And like he was saying, you know, they call them freeze ups. It happens. People kind of freak out sometimes. And he was also saying when it rains and it gets wet and every vehicle tracks a little different on the grates, he said, yeah, you get a little nasty. They've had people just freeze up and stop in the middle of the bridge and they won't keep driving. They just stop and sit there. I still remember 2 days after coming back last year, a travel trailer got flipped onto its side on the bridge. Yikes. All right, so where are we staying tonight? We're staying at a casino here. Yes. Kawadin Shores.
Turn right.
I will. It's in the GPS. I think it's supposed to be 15 bucks a night. So, all right, then. So there was the drive. I'm gonna do a little bit more of the North Country Trail. That looks like the campground over there. I think this is 15 a night, but that's okay. I think you can just park if you want to. And I'm just gonna pay him. I'll pay to do it. There's water too. Hope that wasn't too long and too awful boring. I'm gonna do a review of this casino camping in an upcoming video real shortly. Have a great and wonderful day.